Hola from Murcia in Spain for the launch of the new Street Triple 765cc RS. It's the first time I got to see the bike in the flesh, so I thought I'd just grab a quick video. So first and foremost, the big news is it's Euro 5 update, in which Triumph have managed to squeeze 9% more power and 9% more torque out of the engine. So it's now putting out over 120 horsepower at the moment and about 79 newton meters of torque. So this is the top spec RS, which features an Öhlins rear shock absorber, fully adjustable with a piggyback reservoir, and a Showa fully adjustable big piston forks. You can see down there. We've also got a lovely complement of rather slinky looking Brembo monoblock calipers up front. And chassis wise, that's really about all there is to the bike. The other big news is all in there. So it's got a new balance shaft on the exhaust, which has helped to smooth out the exhaust gas flow. It's also switched over to a twin catalyzer setup. So instead of just having one big catalyzer somewhere in there, there's now two smaller ones, which is helping to reduce the amount of back pressure in the exhaust, and that tailored to a little bit of jiggery pokery up in the inlet there somewhere has helped to breathe a little bit more performance out of the engine. Looks wise, from 20 paces, if it wasn't for that face, you'd be hard pushed to tell the difference. It's only when you get a closer look at it that you can actually start to see. So obviously you've got DRLs set into the headlights on both sides, and the sort of the instrument binnacle, fly screen, whatever you want to call it, has now got this little extender windscreen, whatever you want to call it, fitted on there as well. Triumph have also reworked the side panels that go either side of the radiator, so they're a little bit more angular and they've got some sort of extra elements built in. This is aftermarket crash protection, aftermarket crash protection, aftermarket crash protection, and also the belly pan has been given a new aggressive kind of snowplow. In fact, there you can see the little balance shaft that's helping to make part of that 9% peak power and 9% torque increase over and above the old model. So it's also benefiting from uprated TFT dash, which features new designs and also bespoke riding modes for the 765cc engine, which Triumph are very keen to impress that's had some work put into it from the guys that developed Triumph's Moto 2 engine, which is no surprise, seems as they're both basically the same unit. So what have we got? We have got a press riding launch tomorrow, which is going to consist of a morning spent hooning around Cartagena, and then the afternoon we are going to be taking a little ride back through the mountains back to the hotel, with some filming on the way, photos on the way. Should be fun, weather looks good. I'll catch up with you soon.